hands on me. I'm just gonna tell you some water from my.
Django 13, I need another one.
Get off of
10,
me.
18, please.
You better take your hands off of me. Take your hands off of me. Take your hands off of me. Ricky, get off of me. Get your hands off of me. Get your hands off of me.
Florida, August 31st, 2023. A routine traffic stop over an expired license plate. 3 minutes later, 9 criminal charges. A civilian bystander had to physically disarm the driver to prevent the stabbing of a United States police officer. This is a legal breakdown, not a recap of events. What transformed a $10 tag violation into felony charges comes down to constitutional doctrine.
I don't have a picture because my stuff got damaged in my last house.
That's missing all the numbers from here over.
Well, that's what I have right now. Once I go back to the house.
I don't have a lot of good news for you. They want your tag back as well, so I have to take that. Okay.
We have to park the car and call an Uber with the kids.
Yeah, whatever you gotta do.
Try and park somewhere safe so I don't get towed.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So give me a second to take the tag off, and then I'll come back up here. I'll get you out of here. Okay.
Here, sir. I'll take it off. Excuse me.
I got it.
No, pardon me.
Please go have a seat.
It's my car. I'll take it
No,
off.
I did not ask you to get out of the car.
Okay,
Go have
why
a
are you
seat.
putting your hands on me?
I did
why are you
not
putting
ask
your
you to
hands
get
on me
out. Have a seat.
I can get out of the car if I need to. I'm literally taking
This is
it
the
off.
last time I'm going to ask you. Have a seat.
I'm trying to get some water out of the car. Yeah. Why are you
Stop. Listen.
Don't you put your hands on me. I'm just trying to get some water from my.
Django 13, I need another one.
Get off of
10,
me.
18, please.
You better take your hands off of me. Take your hands off of me. Take your hands off of me. Ricky, get off of me. Get your hands off of me. Get your hands off of me. I do not know you. What? Get your hands off of me. I just that's what you're doing. He's dragging me. He's dragging me.
Just calm down. Calm down.
I'm trying to get my Let me go. Put my foot down. I'm gonna walk over there. Stop. Can you let me go? Can you let my foot?
Let him take the test, Danielle.
Let my foot
Don't
go.
do that.
I'm trying to put my thing I can't
Don't
breathe.
do that.
I'm trying to say I
Don't
cannot.
do that. Oh, back
I
off.
just said I
Back
can't
off.
my foot because I can't breathe.
Honey.
I'm sorry. I can't not emergency room because I was pregnant a couple of days ago. Can you? You are a kind person. I just said I will help you take off the tag off of my car. You're
Please.
unkind,
Ma'am.
racist.
Please, ma'am.
I just want
I ain't for these.
off of
She
me.
just, he's bleeding.
Can you
She just
please?
pulls out of his pocket stuff.
Got it.
I did not take that.
Yes, you did.
I did not. Okay.
Yes, you did.
Excuse me.
Yes, you.
In the gas station parking lot.
Yeah, he's bleeding. You did that.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Why are
On the ground. Dump her. Dump her.
Why are you putting me on the ground?
Sir, there's kids in the car.
I can't get out of my stomach. Please.
Get on the back. Hands behind your back. Now.
Can you please get out of my stomach?
Hey guys, it's okay. Everything's gonna be all right, guys. Okay.
I don't want to put my weight on my stomach. Can
Okay.
you please?
Give me this one and then we'll roll it aside.
The ground is. I'm trying to. Ow!
Sir, is there any weapons in the car? Do you have any weapons on you? Here, I'm just gonna pat you down real quick so you can deal with the kids.
You're fine.
Stop it. Stop it. You're fine. You gotta get it out. You're fine. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. No, you can breathe. You're fine. The officer had her by the leg. She was hopping. He was telling her to get down. He told her to get down once, but then as I got closer, I could see he appeared to be in distress. He was bleeding from 2 to 3 areas on his face. Okay. She looked at me. I looked at her and I was like, what did you do? Yeah. Get down.
Tighten it up.
right now. Please.
Side.
Please take me out.
Straight
Please, I beg you, please. Yeah. Okay, please.
I'm asking to poker stick me.
No, I just got paid. I'm a veteran. I'm a retired veteran.
All right, you can hang out with the kids so they don't have to listen to all this, okay?
They're scared.
I know. I get it.
We had a expired tag. We were
I
trying
get
to
it.
fix the car. Go pay the tag stuff.
I got you, man. I got you.
And I told her let the
I don't know
officer
what's
take the
going
tag.
on.
I said let the officer take the tag
okay?
off.
Then all of a sudden she started struggling. She reached for the officer and took the pen out.
Okay, wow.
Put it to her right hand. My impression was she was going to use it as a weapon and stab him
Okay,
in
yeah,
the face or
sure.
the neck.
Okay.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, okay.
And I screamed at her, got her attention. I reached over and took it from her.
First, the authority to stop. Under Whren versus United States, decided in 1996, any observable traffic violation supplies objective probable cause, regardless of the officer's subjective motive. An expired tag falls under Florida Statute 320.07. Recovery is a mandatory duty, not officer discretion. Second authority over position. Pennsylvania versus Mimms, decided in 1977, grants officers categorical authority to direct a driver out of the vehicle, or to remain inside it. No independent suspicion is required. Officer safety alone justifies it. Maryland versus Wilson, 1997, extended that rule to passengers. The order to have a seat was therefore a lawful command the moment it was issued. Defying it triggered Florida Statute 843.02, resisting an officer without violence. That is where the first charge was born. Once hands made contact, the legal landscape shifted. Statute 843.01, resisting with violence, a third-degree felony. Statute 784.07, reclassification, when the victim is a law enforcement officer, upgrading battery into felony territory. Statute 812.13, strong-arm robbery, applies to any property taken from an officer by force, including something as small as a pen or a radio. Statute 843.025 stands alone as a separate felony for depriving an officer of means of communication because it disables the ability to call for backup. Statute 827.03, child abuse, attaches when a violent crime is committed in the physical presence of a minor, regardless of whether that minor is physically harmed. One continuous act, multiple independent criminal elements.
Awesome. Thank you for doing
And then
that.
that's when all the
Please arrive. Thank you so much for what you did. Yes,
sir,
You're
absolutely.
not going to get enough credit for it, but just know you did an awesome thing for us. So, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All
Absolutely.
right.
I promise I won't do anything.
Relax.
All right. Take a breath. Take a breath. Take a breath. We're going to sit you up. Okay.
Can you
But
please
you
help
take
me
a-
up? Please.
Just a moment. They're looking at
I
right
promise
now.
you I won't move.
She's just Jamaican and crazy. I told her, I said, let the officer take the tag off the car. She said, she want to take it. I said, no, let him take it off. I'm military.
Okay.
Let him take the damn tag off.
Was she driving the car?
Yeah, I
I
said-
don't know what's going on. So you're
Let's
the,
take
choose
a
the driver? Okay.
No, I said, let's take an Uber.
Right there. Let's take room.
Come straight up. Do you have anything illegal on you? It's my cut me, stick me, or poke me?
No, ma'am. Hold on. Can I please get my bearing? Hold on.
You're going to get in the car and trail with it.
You know what? Excuse me.
Do you have $1 in that pocket? Are you wearing a bra or is it just way up here?
It's a bra. It's a front.
It's a front.
It's fine.
You don't have anything up in the bra? Just the underwire?
It's unhooked. No.
It's unhooked in the front? Okay. Okay, well, you have something up in your bra. I just can't see what it is because it's sticking out. So as soon as we get you in the cruiser, we'll look. What do you have up in your bra?
Hold on.
What do you have up in your bra?
I don't. It's part of the. It's a front attachment, bro.
It's just the front attachment?
Yes.
On the officer's side of the analysis, Graham versus Garner, 1989, governs every use of force. Reasonableness is measured objectively from the officer's perspective in the moment, not with the clarity of hindsight. When the pen was perceived as an imminent weapon, the threshold of Tennessee versus Garner for deadly force was arguably crossed. The officer declined to cross it himself. That restraint is above standard, not below it. One constitutional point demands precision. Calling an officer a racist is protected speech under the First Amendment, per City of Houston versus Hill, 1987. Provocative words alone cannot be criminalized, but the First Amendment does not extend to physical conduct. No right in the Constitution authorizes assaulting a law enforcement officer, executing a lawful duty. The grades. The officer, an A- for lawful authority exercised with professional restraint and exceptional force discipline. The driver, an F, because every choice after consent was an avoidable step toward incarceration. The bystander an A+, protected by Florida's Good Samaritan Statute 768.13 for controlled intervention that may have prevented a homicide. The partner a B+, for counseling compliance early, even though he could not control another adult's decisions. 4 takeaways worth remembering. 1. An officer's authority during a traffic stop is broader than most people assume. Mimms does not depend on the driver's sense of fairness. 2. A few seconds of conduct can trigger numerous independent criminal statutes. The charge count reflects the number of legal lines crossed at once. 3. The First Amendment is a shield for speech, not a license for action. The boundary between words and hands is the boundary between protected and prosecutable. 4. The lawful channel for grievance against an officer is the courtroom, and a civil rights action under 42 United States Code Section 1983, never resistance at the scene. If you have an interaction or a legal topic you'd like us to analyze, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
Oh, Lord. I told her to let the man take the tag off. And I said, baby, let him take the tag off. It's a tag. We're going to pay the fines and get another one.
Right.
She said, I want to take it off. She's a girl. Independent girl.
No, that has nothing to do with it.
I know. I told her, don't get out of the car. I'm military, sir.
Yes, sir. I can understand that. We appreciate it.
Ma'am, you're leaning away from us.
I'm sorry.
Walk to the car. You're going to turn around. You're going to sit down, and you're going to face me.
You want me to turn this way first?
Turn around, face me.
Okay.
Sit. Thank you.
Okay.
Now, I can see you have something in your bra, so you're going to keep facing me.
Okay.
And I'm going to unload your bra and just see if it's just a front clasp that's undone. Okay.
Thank you.
It's just a front clasp?
Yes.
Okay, so while you were struggling, it came undone? Is that
There's
true?
nothing in my hair, miss.
Okay, well, we got to check. Go ahead and put your feet in.
Okay.
Put your feet in for me, please.
Hold on.
I will ask you one more time, ma'am. Put your feet in. Thank you. This came out of her back pocket. Who's arrested so I can get this? It's just $1.
Just hand it to me right now.
All right, Peter, got it. And this is, I didn't check her shoes yet.
You okay?
Yeah, I saw them pulling her. They were going to put her in my car here, but then they walked to a different car. This one's mine.
Why is the yellow tape up, officer? I'm military.
They might just be making sure nobody's coming into the parking lot, is my guess. I don't know. But, I mean, you heard her screaming. I didn't hear them call. They'll probably get a rescue truck down here to check her out if anything happened to her. I said I didn't hear. I got here after the fact, kind of. But now it's kind of the point where now it's calmed down, so everybody's going to figure out what's going on. End of the day,
We just
nobody's
got some
dead or
lunch.
anything.
We just went to the park with the kids.
Right,
I said, baby, go get the tire fixes. Go pay the rest of the fines and see how much the tag is.
right. Yeah, the fines are easy to replace.
What is the charge? Bad Leo, obviously.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure. Yeah. Probably. Well, I don't know if it's aggravated.
I don't know what they're.
I would charge her with,
I don't know what the original.
I would charge her. I would have to entertain neglect or child abuse too, doing that to the police in front of kids. The same as you're committing a violent crime, a felony with the children present, you know?
It is not that.
They're hot. It goes.
Is the AC on?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, good.
Low. I checked it.
Okay.
I just want to make sure because it is hot. Yeah, it's very hot. It would be much worse hanging out in there.
So there's going to be an officer that's going to meet us up here. She has more of your property. So we're just going to hang tight for a minute until she meets us here. She's on her way, so maybe 5-ish, 10 minutes.
I didn't have any property.
Not like a phone or anything?
That was all in my car.
Okay, well, like I said, she has something that belongs to you, I guess.
Okay.